In this video, I'll show you how to create an energetic opening where the video appears with a realistic shaky lens effect, giving it a handheld and dynamic feel. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the shake is visible right away. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Shaky Lens, then apply it. Once applied, the video enters with subtle lens shake and movement, adding energy and realism to the reveal. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the shake feels. Shorter duration makes the shake quick and sharp. Longer duration slows it down, making the motion more noticeable and dramatic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the shake enhances the scene without being distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added a shaky lens reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.